All right, well, bird saga continues. Yesterday I cleaned up the starts of a nest and put the owl up over the garage door opener, and look what has happened. They're right back. Already started a new nest. So I guess I'm gonna have to get the ladder out and start dismantling again. Let's see what we have. Oh yeah, they've got a good start. Wife was wondering why the garage door wouldn't shut this morning. I'm guessing maybe this has something to do with it. They've even got some in here. Well, I'll figure out what my next little trick is going to be. By the way, thank you, Al, for nothing. Now let's go check on the birds that are actually welcome. There's the culprits right up there, just waiting for me to leave. I already see their little heads sticking out. Oh, look, they look a little more lively this morning. They're waiting to be fed. Waiting for Mama to drop some worms in their mouth. Not much going on there this morning. I really need to scrape and paint my deck.